Let's go to settings, general, and sleep settings, automatic sleep. Yeah, so you want to go no sleep at all or stay powered on when the key is off. Okay, it's been over a week now. Let's see if this thing starts. Oh, it unlocks, that's good. See, we got a little bit of snow. Okay, let's take a look here. Got power. Success. I think it's safe to say that we fixed that draw, so that's awesome.